Hello and welcome to our look at the upcoming Tuesday, December 30th trading session. Really not a whole lot on the economic calendar worthwhile as far as paying attention to, except for possibly consumer confidence out of the United States. It's anticipated to be at 93, and this one typically will move the stock markets in the U.S., so that's probably where most of the action will be for the session. With that being said, let's look at the S&P 500. You can see during the Monday session, we pulled back to test and confirm basically that the 2080 level here, which was a high, is now support. The next barrier, of course, is 2100. We suspect that we are in fact going to go that high. Any short-term pullback should end up being a call buying opportunity in this market. We see plenty of support all the way down to probably 1980 really before we would consider a trend change. So truthfully, pullback, supportive candles on short term, daily charts doesn't really matter. Those all get our attention. Of course, you have to keep an eye on the US dollar with consumer confidence coming out. You can see that the euro tried to rally, failed. You can see we pulled back. We formed a bit of a shooting star for the session on Monday. It looks like we are ready to continue going lower, probably down to the 1.2050 area, which is where the overall uptrend started. Be aware, though, that short-term rallies are buying opportunities as far as puts are concerned, as the U.S. dollar is still, in our opinion at least, without a doubt, one of the favorite currencies around the world. And finally, you can see as the U.S. dollar is strengthening, we had pulled back from a previous rally in the gold market. You can see there was a little bit of an uptrend line that we broke through. We've tested it, and now it looks like we're ready to continue going lower. Right now, we anticipate this market heading back to the 1140 area, and therefore we are put buyers in gold as we think the US dollar continues to strengthen. That, of course, will put pressure on this particular currency. With that being said, we have looked at the Tuesday, December 30th trading session.